gonna get started. It's over.
Somebody said, "Let me join, cuz."
So y'all still doing this troll shit, huh?
Nigga, you got your camera on,
What?
nigga, with your bum ass, nigga.
Nah. See, now when I catch one of you niggas, I'm gonna fuck one of y'all up.
Man,
You
we
ain't
gonna
gonna do
catch your,
shit, bitch.
we gonna catch
Hey,
your girl
that's
You ain't
and
gonna
real
do
fuck that
shit,
shit.
bitch in her
bitch.
ear,
Hey,
nigga. We gonna fuck your girl
that's
in the
real
ear,
shit.
nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
My
Get your
girl
girl
right here,
pregnant.
nigga.
Hey,
Put
My
your girl
girl
on the
right
phone,
here,
bitch.
nigga.
hey, put your
Put
girl
your
on the
girl on
phone. I
the
bet
phone.
you won't let us see her so we can fire off on her ass, nigga. I'm gonna get her pregnant and make you take care of the
Hey,
baby,
hold
nigga.
on.
Fuck
I'm
you
gonna
talking
put
about?
her on the phone. I'm gonna put her on the phone, but you niggas better stop trolling for real, nigga.
Yeah, put that bitch
Seahorse
on the
face
phone.
ass
Put that
motherfucker.
bitch on the
Who's
phone so I can
trolling,
hold
nigga?
her.
You on our side? Nigga, we ain't trolling. You on our side, nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Yeah.
You niggas, man.
Go off
Wait
on
till I
that
I'ma
catch
nigga.
one of
zoom
Go
you.
off on
on
that
your
nigga,
ass,
Papa.
bitch.
Go off on that nigga,
Oh, you
Papa.
gonna catch
Bro, that nigga
nigga?
pop up got hold out how many times on Instagram? Come on, man. Let's be real.
Who got hold up? Bitch, ain't nobody get hold up. You can hold up. Hold
That's
up.
real shit, nigga. That's real shit.
Nigga, if I'm holding out,
I fuck with you, CJ, but I'm gonna make sure you take that cross off the middle of your head too, boy.
How you gonna do that, nigga?
oh, he
Yeah,
beefing with
nigga. Real.
How you gonna do that?
real true.
Hey, you niggas ain't good in the Midwest. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now.
Nigga,
Nigga,
fuck the
I
Oh,
beef with
Midwest,
you
nigga.
and your cousin and
Who give a
everybody
fuck
else.
about no Midwest, nigga? Fuck a Midwest, nigga. You from where Nelly from, nigga? Fuck out of here, nigga. Underlay, ida. Get your fuck ass out of here, nigga. Talk about
Hey,
a
That nigga
motherfucking
say,
Midwest.
in my
What you
Air
from St.
Force
Louis,
One.
nigga? Y'all ain't even got
In
no
my
games
Air
in that
Force
shit, nigga.
One.
Fuck you talking about, nigga.
Look ass
Underlay.
bitch.
I like a sucker for cornrows and manicure toes. Something dip. Get the fuck out of here, nigga.
we going down,
nah,
That
baby.
nigga
niggas gonna
say he
get
be
enough of this.
busting. We're gonna boom,
Wait,
baby.
wait, wait. Wait. You
That
Hey,
gotta get
nigga
the fuck out of
crazy,
here,
bro.
man.
That
Bro,
nigga gotta
this
go,
nigga
bro.
said, this nigga said y'all not good in the
In the
Midwest, though.
Midwest. Oh shit. Nigga, what y'all
Y'all ain't
gonna
even
do,
got a
motherfucker?
beach. Y'all ain't even got a beach, bitch.
That nigga do a
Boy, y'all got
Kimberly.
St. Louis fucked up. Look, ugly ass, hood meals looking ass dudes, bro. With these
Oh,
Boy, we
motherfucking
don't care
fake
about
ass
food. We
dreads.
just price heads, nigga. So take them. I ain't
So,
got no
Hey,
fuck
opinion
is
on
you
hey,
talking about,
CJ.
boy?
Hey,
Get your,
CJ.
hey, get
that
your
nigga.
motherfucking
Boy, you don't get
hood
your shiny
meals,
forehead
ugly
ass up out
ass.
of here.
But that nigga
This
look
nigga
like
got
that
this
nigga from
motherfucking
Substack,
tat.
nigga. Oh,
This
happy
nigga,
baby face head ass nigga.
this
Fuck
nigga
you talking about, nigga?
29 Savage, boy. Get your goofy, stupid ass
Get
on
your
somewhere,
slim
bro.
fast head ass.
Fuck is
You
you
like
talking about?
Hey,
you
hey,
like
hold
Rick
on,
Ross,
nigga.
ugly
Hey,
ass
hold
bitch.
on, nigga. I
Hey,
refuse to roast a
who
nigga
is
with
this nigga?
motherfucking bifocal
Hey,
glasses
who is
on,
this
nigga.
nigga with? Hey, who is this nigga with this Bobby Brown ass lining and shit right here on the top right, bro? You look stupid as a mother. Quit fucking playing with me, kid. Hey, I'm St. Louis certified, bro. Quit playing, boy. You
Hey,
look stupid as
hey,
fuck.
hey, nigga, fuck St. Louis, nigga. Y'all ain't got shit going on down there, nigga, but Nelly, nigga. Fuck out of here. Nelly and
Oh
Ashanti,
yeah,
nigga. Fuck out of here.
nah, you said Nelly and the Shanty.
Y'all
Hey,
ain't got
this
shit going
nigga
on
hella
down there.
funny, bro.
Y'all ain't got
so
shit
man.
going on down there, nigga. And your tape up
Hey,
fucked up, nigga. And your fucking shit ugly
check
fuck.
him
LeBron
out,
James knockoff looking
boy,
ass, nigga. Hey,
boy.
that,
You done
Say
bought them
James
fake
Harden
ass
looking
hey,
ass
dreads from.
bitch.
hey,
You bought
let that
them
nigga
fake
talk.
ass dreads from Kodak Black, bro. You look stupid as a
But,
motherfucker,
but,
bro.
but,
Look at this
but,
Your
nigga
dumb
glowing.
hey,
ass
hey,
Hey,
on,
take
CJ.
off
boy.
his glasses back,
Hey,
bitch.
hey, CJ, y'all. I refuse to roast a nigga who got enough meat on his nose to make a ham sandwich. Fuck you talking about?
Hey,
That nigga got a
I
snuffle
like
lump in his
that.
oil. That nigga got a snuffle lump
Hey,
in his
he said I
oil.
refuse to go on a nigga who got enough meat on his nose to make a ham
That nigga
sandwich.
nose taker and he
That
slide his
nigga
shit in his
face
lip like
Hey,
mayonnaise.
That's how them
check
real
him
hoes.
out.
Hi, Burp. How you doing,
Check
Burp?
him out.
How you
Hey,
doing,
when you
Burp?
coming out? Hey, when you coming out with the next reel, bro? I know you got some motherfucking hood, motherfucking hot pockets coming out, ugly ass, dirty ass, boy.
I know what.
What you
I know
talking
what
about?
day. I know what day
That
we
nigga
gonna.
head shaped like a D battery.
Hey,
Muscle
hey,
head
hey.
ass
I
motherfucker.
bet them